You're evil. You're not supposed to have restrictions, you know? So check this out. I'm supposed to be making a video about the Osmo Pocket, which is what I'm filming with right now. I was doing a little bit of drone shots, taking off the drone to get a little footage. It's snowing outside. Not much. It was big, but now the temperature's gone up back to like 40 degrees and whatever. It's starting to melt, whatever. Anyway, so I went to take the drone shots with this, the Autel Evo, yeah, and kind of using the Osmo Pocket to do the filming and whatever, to see if I can integrate the Osmo Pocket into my workflow. I'm making a video about that soon. You'll see that. Anyway, long story short, I went to take off and I got a message that says altitude restricted. I'm like, what? Altitude restricted? Be sure to check out autonomousdroneservices.com for all your aerial professional drone needs. Altitude restricted. Aircraft at height restricted areas, please fly carefully. That's the warning on the screen. And altitude restricted. How restricted it is, let's find out. Either which way, I was like, what the hell is this? I was able to take off and then birds started attacking me. I don't know if I got that on video. I'll play it for you if I do. Yeah, and birds are looking for me, but too high, too soon. All right, let's see what this restriction's all about. Yeah, it did snow this morning, and that's why I was trying to catch a piece of the snowing stuff. The drone was kind of drifting just now. Maximum flight altitude reached in restricted area, 338. Let's go up some more. Wow. Are you kidding me? It doesn't stop me. It just says restricted altitude, but it doesn't actually restrict me. The Evo is not restricted. It's just kind of letting you know that this is a restricted area and that you shouldn't be like flying here. But it's not really restricted, and I'd like to fly low and catch like this train, but the birds are like really crazy out here, so I'm just gonna fly this way. There we go, guys. I've made my point. It's like gimmicky. It's not really. It's just a warning, guys. Just a warning. Big shout out to my patrons who've been loyal over the past year. If you're not a Patreon and you're watching this, head over to my Patreon account. $1 a month, guys. That's all it takes. Enter to win a chance at DJI Mavic 2 Zoom or DJI Mavic 2 Pro. I'd like to thank Autonomous Drone Services for sponsoring this equipment here for me to use, for me to test and find out these little quirks and things that may or may not make a big deal to you.